All right, I'm gonna bring in my greased muffin tin and I'm gonna place my chocolate chip cookie dough right into each of our muffin holes, just like so. Now you could obviously make your own homemade cookie dough, but I just love the Pillsbury cookie dough, so that's what I'm using today. But you know what? It tastes homemade to me, so that's why I love it so much. But feel free, like I said, to use whatever kind you like. You can use Toll House. I'm gonna take these little extra bits and just stuff them where I feel like they need it. A little here and there. We want nice, even shaped cookie pieces. Go ahead and just kind of smush them down into our greased muffin tin super quickly. Perfect. All right, so my oven is set to 350 and these are gonna cook for about 12 minutes. Ooh, look how crispy these look. Yummy. Okay, while they're hot, we're gonna go ahead and grab a shot glass and our pan, and we are just gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of Pam to the bottom of our shot glass. That's just the flour Pam, and we are going to press down our cookie dough to make like a little divot in our cookie. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so good, you guys. Okay, that is exactly what we want it to look like. Now we're gonna let these cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so these have been cooling down. Now it's time for the fun part. You guys know I love my no-bake cheesecake. You guys can make your own homemade. I already dug into this one because I love it so much. But we are gonna add a nice yummy scoop right into that cookie cup. Oh my goodness. Now this would be delicious with any cookie dough. You could do a sugar cookie. You could do a double chocolate chunk cookie. I personally really wanted gingerbread cookies, but I wasn't gonna make them homemade, so the chocolate chip will do just well. Oh, doesn't that just look decadent? It almost looks like ice cream on top, but it's better. It's cheesecake. Okay, let's get the scoops right on here. You guys know I've only been able to find this no-bake stuff at Walmart. So if you're looking for it, it's next to the cream cheese at Walmart. Oh yeah, that looks so delicious. Now I want this to be a little bit festive for Christmas. So I have these beautiful little crystalled sprinkles, and we're gonna sprinkle these right on top, just like this, light little sprinkle. How fun is that?
Oh, that looks super cool.
Okay, now I have one more thing I'm gonna top it with, and then these are gonna be ready to indulge. Oh yeah, chocolate chip cookies. Now, like I said, I wanted gingerbread, so I am compensating with these little gingerbread men as cute little decorations on top of our cheesecake chocolate chip cookie cups. Oh my gosh. Oh no, this one's missing a leg. You know what? That just makes it more fun, right?
Yeah, super fun. It was me, I ate it.
I don't blame you. These smell incredible.
It was absolutely phenomenal.
Yeah, I mean, it's all the good things, like I said. Last one. How cute! I am obsessed. All right, we did grease the pan, so they should just pop out. I'm gonna use my knife. Look how cute that is! Oh my goodness, and I have this fun little Christmas tree. There we go. Look how cute those look! Our little chocolate chip gingerbread cheesecake little bites look decadent. Let's go ahead and take a bite.
Is it good? It looks so good.
It's perfect. That chocolate chip cookie is like a little crunchy, just like how I want it. You guys gotta try it.